part of being Canadian is playing softball.
Happy Canada Day. The best thing I like about being a Canadian is playing softball and playing hockey too. I'm a Canadian for softball and hockey.
Happy Canada Day. My favorite part about being Canadian is hanging out with friends and playing softball.
Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day. The best part of being in Canada is the friends and this country.